Alright, this is starting on the second level. So I already have 47 points. Here we go. Run, stop, pauses, and unpauses. The unmistakable click of a Commodore 64 controller. Obviously, the first maneuver is to build fire. To do that, you need 2 pieces of wood in the same location. I like to build the fire at the bottom, close to the bottom. That way it's quicker to get to. What a bastard. See, now not only did he poison my eggs, I had that little power thing, which allows me to hold more than the 3 eggs, which is what you start out with. You can only hold 3 when you start out. But if you get one like that, you can hold, I don't even know how many you can hold. A bunch. 8, 10, something like that? I don't know, let's find out. I have 3 now. Let's trap this guy. You trap him by running over. He formed right on me. Okay, things are not going well, and I just dropped that boulder on my fire, which put it down to 0. Okay, so my fire's out, and I need to get my thingy. Oh, did I? Oh, I was there. All right. We're gonna keep going, cause that's what we're gonna do. Second life. All right. Come on, Mr. Worm. Oh wait, I need to go to fire. That's another thing. If you die when you have a log in your possession, the log disappears. Okay. So I think I'm out of wood. There's a big foot. Yeah, out of wood. So I gotta finish this board with no fire. Which means Dino is gonna get me! And she is relentless. You think I can do this without getting nailed again? Oh, I can pick up this guy. Pick up this guy so I can hold more than 3 eggs. Dang, Dino Mom. She's coming at it. Okay, so right now, 5. It says how many eggs we have right there. 5, 8. I don't know how many I can hold, but I'm gonna warp so as to. Stupid worm. Okay. Here we go. Alright, there we go. 16 points. So, I think I can do this. Yeah, I can. And I just need to do it better on the next board. And I'll show you guys how it's done. Okay, so now I'm going to warp out. Just press the button and down. Oh, that was so rude. That was so rude. What? I was just about to warp out. All right, we still can get a good score here. I'm at 92. I can still get a respectable score of at least 300. Okay, what's a respectable score? 300, 250. Okay, 250 is a respectable score. Oh wait, what am I doing? All I need to do is warp out. Let's go, warping out. I like how this is down here too. It like talks to you, tells you what's going on. Tells you when the Dino Mom's coming. Tells you when an egg's hatching. Sorry. Okay, let's go. Build a fire. We're gonna build a fire right here. I just need to go get the second log. There we go. So now it starts out starts out at 9, and it slowly works its way down. Oh crap! It's I lost 10. See, it went super fast because the snake, worm, whatever it is, and the spider hit me at the same time. So when you get hit, you gotta make it back to your little home thingy. All right, we're gonna start over. Start again from the beginning here. Show you how it's done. Pick that up. Actually, this one, a good place to put the fire. Actually, that wouldn't be a good place to put the fire. I'm just gonna put it right here. There we go. So I'm at my max, which is 3. Cage this guy. As far as what I've realized, you can only have 3 mini dinos out at a time. Get this guy before he runs into the fire. There's the third one, which gives me, the third one gives you 12 points. So 6, 8, 12. There we go. And I don't want to drop this boulder because it'll hit my fire. Knock it down to 1. Oh, look at that. There's another mini dino. Oops, jumped too early. Ow. Jumped too early. The fire's going out. So my priority is to get that fire going. And stay away from these sneaky spiders. Boom. Go. Ow! Ow! That was like instant! She attacked as soon as that fire went out. She did not waste any time. I'm telling you, man, she's ruthless. Wow, looks like she's coming down fast too. Crap, I can't hold that. Great. Take a hike, you stupid worm. Alright, there's only one left. Oh, puts me as far away from it as possible. Alright, that's alright. Stupid snake! Alright, come on, go get it. Ugh. You know, the first board isn't supposed to be that just tricky. It's just okay. As soon as Dino strikes, we're gonna run and get it. Okay, strike, get it, do. And this is the first board I'm having this much trouble with it. I am worried about my future. Alright, warping out, warping to level 2. Ah! I'm not gonna let you do it again. Well, that was the first board, but for some reason, after you beat the first board, it says to level 1. I'm not sure what. Was that the first one? Practice? Alright, go to fire. And what? The Dino Mom doesn't come instantly. So what I'm gonna do is go up and get that. You turd. Oh. Okay, so I got the piece of wood from the very top. Where should I put my fire? I actually think right here would be a good place for it. Free 1 point. There we go. See you later, Dino Ma. Alright, let's start collecting. Alright, I need to pay attention here. This really isn't a game you can just let your mind wander. Yeah, like I said, burnt to death. Alright, come on, cut me some slack here. Alright, here we go. Now I gotta start fresh with a new fire. Alright, no I don't. Good. Dude. Oh. Oh man, I tell you. I am off key. I'm gonna make another video where I just crush it. But it's not gonna be this one. I promise you that. Oh, plus I lost my power. Alright, here we go. Sorry, everyone. That's it. No more eggs. On to the next level. At some point, you get a 4th life. I don't know. I'm not sure what it is. I don't know if it's based on points or based on level rising. Check on the music. Hey, what happened? 80s rock playing in the background. I figure it's a good theme to go with. Rats. Oh, dude. Look at this. What's going on with my controller? I can't move left. There we go. Now it's too late. Now I'm going to die. I gotta go all the way around. I can't go there to there. Dirty rat. If I go up there, is that gonna hit me? Okay, not good. Oh, this isn't good. There we go. That was quick. Uh-oh, fire's going out. Oh no! Come on, get on the ball. It's out completely. Whoa! All right, next level. Out, warping out. Get the fire. Right. I'm gonna put the fire right here. Oh, great. I lost my power. Stupid worm. Why didn't I just wait 1 second? Okay, there's another power up there, so alright. Alright, there we go. Playing Pitfall 2 earlier. I was doing the same thing on that game with the jumps. Just jumping too early. Ooh! Oh, he was just about to pick that Dino up. Alright. Okay, so there's 10. How many can this hold? 13? Is it unlimited? 14. It must be unlimited. It's gotta be. I have 15 eggs right now. Alright. That was a good score boost. So the highest score I checked on highscore.com is 400 and some. I don't remember exactly. 430 maybe? Alright, next level. Alright. Put the fire right there. You gonna move? Yeah? No? Maybe? Oh! Ah! Oh, no you don't! He's picking up my dino. He went down. He went below the plane. You dirty snake. Dirty spider. Oh, I don't like that position. No, 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 no! Ah! Oh, crap. Alright, I'm getting my thing out of there. Okay, come on. It's not that bad. Need to catch those dinos right away so the spiders don't get them. Ooh, that was close. Just trying to get away from that worm. The snake worm. Do I have enough points to get the 4th life? Come on, give me the 4th life. Okay, 4th life. Alright, good. Alright, this is my 4th and final life. Let's see if I can get to at least 250. Nope! Alright, well there's dino eggs. Hope you enjoyed the video.